Hello everyone and welcome back to Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life, our little mini-series on that. Here we are with part 76, which he keeps pretty short, so I'll probably end up keeping pretty short. We'll see here. So, the idea of this one is that life is we're only here in life to love and to be loved. That's all it's about. Now, this one's a little complicated compared to most people's view on it because people think, oh, life is about having this good job and having this perfect lifestyle and having this and having that. And people always have these ideas of all the things they need to have, and it's like a list of a million different rules so they can, you can't follow a million rules at the same time. And so he's saying, no. It's all just about love and being loved. So sending out love to others, sending out love to all others, and then receiving love back as a result. So he's saying that that's what all of life is about, that we can send out love to everyone in our lives, everyone who bothers us, things that are just like rocks, We can send out love to lesser life forms like trees, various animals, those kind of things. And he's saying that that's what it's all just about. It's just about sending out love. So I'm going to send out some love to you guys. Love. Hope you guys enjoy that one. Sending all that love out to you guys just because loving is really what life is about. When you love your life and you love the things in it, that's when you can better appreciate it and grow stronger. That's about it for part 76. I will see you guys next time with part 77, so stay tuned.